Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Gretchen and you are watching Reading with Miss Gretchen. In today's lesson, we will be continuing our learning of the word family patterns using word ladders. So let us begin using our patterns ip and id. Id and ip. So our first word that I'm going to write up on the board is that is an L. It says L. And if I put an ID there, I get lid. Lid. Our next one is AD. We can write ID next to it, which says id, and we get did. Did. Our next one, who can think of one for me? If you said kid, you said kid, and that would be right. That is a K, and we add ID to that K, and we get kid. Kid. One I can think of is bid. Bid. So we're going to write a B. And again we write I and D. And we get bid. Our next one, I'll put this letter here and you can tell me what this letter is. What letter is this? Yes, this is the letter H. And H says, so we add ID to it. We get hid. Our next one is Sid. And with this word, Sid, which is the name of a person, remember I told you that we write a capital S for the name of a person. So this is uppercase S. And we write ID. And we get Sid, which is a name of a person. Okay. IP, which says IP. IP. And I will start off with the word S, which says and I, and P, which says IP. I'm going to put an L up here. L says L, and we put IP, I, and P, and it says lip. Lip. Let's go to our next one, and I'm going to write an H, and who can tell me what H says? That's right. And again, we write I and P. The same ending. Here, id, and it. Our next word Who can tell me what this letter is? If you said R, that is correct. And as we're doing this, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, have a notepad out, a notebook out, taking notes. So don't let it stop here just because you see a video. Write down notes so you can review it and go over it again and again and again. So we're going to put IP, I, and P. We get rip. Rip. And rip is to tear. Tear something apart. Our next one. Put this here. And who can tell me what letter that is? If you said D, that would be correct. And D makes the sound D. D. And we put IP right here. We get dip. Dip. Our next one will be Z. 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 And that letter is a Z. Z says Z. And we put IP. We get zip. So we're going to go over these words to make sure that you understand what we just did. ID says id. We added the letter L and we came up with the word id, lid. Our next word is d, id, did. We have a K. Put a K in front of id, and we get k, id, kid. Our next one is b, bid. And we have hid. Then we have C. And remember that name of a place always get an capital letter or uppercase. It could be capital. You can say capital or you can say uppercase. But a name of a person always get a capital letter or uppercase. So this is Sid. Okay, we're going over to IP, which says ip. So we put an S in front of ip, we get sip. Our next one is lip. And notice how these two right here, we just put a different letter at the end. We put two letters, these are the same, and we put a different letter at the end. We have hip. And these are, see, we just changed out these two letters at the end and get new words. Our next one is rip. And our next one is dip. And we have zip. Okay, that concludes this video. ID, which says id, P, which says ip. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share to my channel. I thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.